I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today, we're getting rid of this brassy hair. We're turning it ashy. Stay tuned. Okay, hey, we're in the bathroom again, and it's time to do the hair. Like I said, we're using the 20 developer, the Wella T-14, and this little packet of Ardell Red Gold Corrector. Can't wait to see what happens. See you soon. Okay, so I have damp hair. I mix up the toner, the developer, and that Ardell packet, color correcting packet together. Well, I didn't mix it. I put it all together. I'm gonna mix it up, and then I'm gonna apply it. All right, it is a beautiful, hot, pink, plum-looking color, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I left it in 20 minutes. And oh, I just missed it. I was combing it out and it started to look really kind of gray. Could be successful. So I'm gonna wash it out and we'll be back. So here's the after. I have no makeup on because I had to take a shower to get this all out and like condition it well. And it was really dry and really brittle and I had to condition it really well. And now it feels good and it's kind of shiny, but I really feel like it's dull and gray and red. So I don't, this curl is because I put it in my hair for like 1 minute. Okay. So I think I should put makeup on and come back because it's not a fair comparison, but here's the back. I mean, look at it. It is so much more red. Here's the before. It had dark in it. That's what I wanted. I wanted to get rid of the red, and now there's just more red. I cannot even believe it. So there's the back, and here's the front, and I really hate it. I really fucking hate it. Again. All right, you saw it. It's really red in the back where it was brown, and these parts here are really gray. I don't know if the camera picks it up. But what can you do? It's hair. It'll be okay. I'm giving up on that Wella T-14. I hate that shit. I like Ion brand, and I'll stick with that for anything in the future because this is just awful. Awful. I mean, I'm sorry, I looked at myself in the mirror and I'm like, what is up with this gray? Anyway, I try. You live, you learn, you try, and you fail. And then you try again and you fail again. And then you do it again and you fail and you learn your lesson. Don't do the same thing again. That's it. Melanie Mills, Toasted Blondes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.